Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to science class for today. We have a very exciting class that is prepared for you, and we are going to learn today about the life cycle of a butterfly. The life cycle of a butterfly. So you will be able to state, identify, and describe how a butterfly grows by using the 4 stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. Now, I know that there's several of you here in the classroom, and there's so many different ways that you learn. Some of you learn by listening, and some of you learn best when you see things visually with your eyes. Some of you learn best when you touch things. So we're going to have a little bit of all of that mixed together in this class so that everyone gets to learn the way that they like to learn and the way that you learn best. We are going to sing a song, and this song is called The Butterfly Stages. So I want you to watch it first, and then we're going to sing it together. And all week while we study our butterflies, we're going to sing this song and learn it together. Listen up.
This is the butterfly dance. This is the butterfly dance. There are 4 stages to the butterfly, and this is the butterfly dance. Sit on the floor and curl up like an egg. Now wait 4 days. Sit on the floor and curl up like an egg. Now wait 4 days. This is the butterfly dance. This is the butterfly dance. There are 4 stages to the butterfly, and this is the butterfly dance. Crawl, crawl like a caterpillar crawls. Now eat green leaves. Crawl, crawl like a caterpillar crawls, and eat green leaves. This is the butterfly dance. This is the butterfly dance. There are 4 stages to the butterfly, and this is the butterfly dance. Stand frozen still, form a chrysalis. Don't move. Close your eyes. Stand frozen still, form a chrysalis. Don't move. Close your eyes. This is the butterfly dance. This is the butterfly dance. There are 4 stages to the butterfly, and this is the butterfly dance. Spread your wings until they're dry, then fly, fly, fly. Spread your wings until they're dry, then fly, fly, fly. Woo! This is the butterfly dance. This is the butterfly dance. There are 4 stages to the butterfly, and this is the butterfly dance. This is the butterfly dance. This is the butterfly dance. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. This is the butterfly. This is the butterfly. This is the butterfly dance.
All right, boys and girls, wasn't that awesome? What better way to learn about the butterfly and the stages than to sing together about butterflies? All right, so now that we are all excited and we are ready to move on, we're going to do a Nearpod activity. So I need everyone to pull out your Chromebooks, and together we're going to go through a lesson plan on Nearpod, and this lesson is going to teach us about the life cycle of a butterfly. All right, is everyone logged in? I see that you're all logged in. You took the code off the board and you put it in your Chromebooks and you went to nearpod.com. Okay, I can see that everyone is ready. So we're going to start together. Look at your screens and Mrs. Alfred will control your screen as we look at Nearpod and learn about the life cycle of a butterfly. All right, the life cycle of a butterfly. How do butterflies change throughout their life cycle? So this is the question that is being asked. How do they change? So this is where you are going to participate. And if you see on your screen, you can see the question and I will read it for you. How much do you already know about the life cycle of a butterfly? So go ahead and type in, how much do you know? A little, I don't know anything, I know a lot. So click A, B, C, or D. I don't know anything is C, I know a lot is A, I know a little, click B, and I don't have an answer. You're going to click D. Great job. Okay, so this time we are going to use a collaborate board, and this is where you answer the question, what do you already know about how butterflies change throughout their lives? Oh, I see all of those answers that you put down, and we're going to read them together and share. Caterpillar crawling. A caterpillar is a young butterfly. On the next slide, you will watch a caterpillar crawling around on a plant. As you watch, pay attention to the shape of its body. Also watch to see how the caterpillar moves. So this is really awesome for those of you that are visual learners and you need to see exactly what we're learning. This is for you and I need you to pay attention. I'm going to go to the next slide and let's see a caterpillar. How awesome was that? You are able to see the caterpillar for yourself. That was awesome. Okay, next question. What did you notice about the appearance of the caterpillar? Share your ideas. So right now, all of the students will put in their information and we will talk about it with the class. I'm speeding along just because of the time constraint, but in the lesson, we would take our time. A different look. Caterpillars look different than adult butterflies. On the next slide, you will watch a video of a butterfly. As you watch, notice how a butterfly is different than a caterpillar. So we're not going to actually watch. Well, I'll play it. Let me show you just a little. So boys and girls, you are able to see the difference between a caterpillar and a butterfly. How are they different? Share your ideas. Put them in and let's see. Okay, so the lesson would continue. This is called Nearpod, and we would continue with the lesson and I would take my time. But because of our time constraint for this class, I am going to end the Nearpod section. So we would now review that we learned about the stages of the butterfly. We can identify the stages, the 4 stages. We can describe them. And now it's time for assessment. We're going to test how much do you remember. And this is a fun game called Look It. So class, we are ending today's session with a game called Blook It, and we cannot actually play, but for those of you that are watching in my class, you get to select from different modes of the game. This is an awesome game. The students love this game when it's time to play, and it's an assessment. It's a review. So let's just say if they chose cafe mode and they said new game. We're going to go through this very quickly. And no, I don't want a tutorial. And it's asking a question: located on a butterfly's head, used for feeling, tasting, and smelling. Well, what would that be? Antenna. Your answer is correct. And we would move on with the game. The next question: what is the third stage of the butterfly life cycle? And I said the egg because I want to show you that it also gives you the correct answer. So this is an assessment, and it helps the student as they are playing the game to correct themselves. So they're learning throughout the whole time. And I just want to say that we are ending this class assignment with a homework assignment that is going to be an audio book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. And they will listen as they watch the story of the very hungry
This is the checkers
caterpillar.
game where grandson and granddad will bond.
As it is being read to them.
The Very Hungry
Get
Caterpillar.
to watch and read along. And that ends my lesson demonstration for today. Thank you.